Shibenta nagajingkran uba lakman rumboy MLA ka amlaram bat umentri berikmi yakatanat puli ke sarkar jala kumukong san haka jingraki dap arpusan snam kamang high rium higher secondary school amlaram haka khatnyo tarik risau arajar pusan ulaong bagi dan ki jing bakala ha bagi kena kin khambon hagi school shimat ban hagi school sarkar dak bashim nuksa bagi school sarkar ha constituency jong kidan tang saw bat sangot ki khana school lam ka number ka babyang ki nohi kai kat bagi school kum ka mang hai riom pat ka don hadu lai spa lai phongot kat bagi nohi kai ki badon tang saw ni sangot lam ka jing siu ka baret uba lakamen romboy uloong bakal long ka basngok khia bat ka bahap banwat banya ya ka daw Nalor pa lakamen romboy la penjang kon ya kene sngi da ka jeshim bentalang UMDC ka JHADC ka tau ba jam saprang potam but uba medling M swear ka kong Daybor Patricia Litan in charge subdivisional school education officer SDSEU Amlaram subdivision Dr D Lingdo block development officer Amlaram CNRD block ki officer sarkar ki noilam snong ki longkme longpa ki nohikai ki khana school bat ki wei
Kamang her own secondary school high school Nabe ka la senyaka haka nongrim banjak hai kijai lenti kimdei kibasuk Henry kidei kijai lenti kita Henry ka bor jong play kagi persat mensim jong Ajing kersan nasyalende bagi paro inyai ia akan kesni kum walada inong sen bahakmatu indan show rengkat bani kini kicing hikai kibanga iai Ibang experience hama dia associate jangan bahkan kesan nanti kono minister kan dia ke besok bahin le yakino kinokika kaon pole hapo kadarut jonga kak kersoy balaran tang ka skylight ngan tulong kita ka jingkhang bangan nyerap ya kan ke school kamang her online spa live homework ki khana school kinahikai ka salary ka ba Nampip siya kaditang ka honorary amday ka salary. Kaditang ka honorary. Life spa, life homework, kiknas. Kikni, kikpa, kiay, kadisya niya. Balay, kiskul sarkar. Balay ka Amarian LP School hanang kalangkang San Remote Kena School Laisa Mut Mahika. Balay ka Government Lamin Government LP School San Mut Kena School Laimut Kinahika. Balay ka Lamin Krishnang Government LP School San Mut Kena School Laimut Samut Kinahika. Balay ka Sokashmang Common LP School South Sanmut Kinahikay Katsan Arthomut Kina School Balay Kudan Tumay Government LP School Lai Sanmut Kinahikay Balay Something wrong somewhere Ishwarshman have introspect. Ishwarshman have introspect. Ka sarkar kan shim yakaray. Ay ba? Kin ang bawla rumboy pendok ya ka school jami. no matter what, I will do that. Nin paya ginahikai, siya ki school kiberangka. Kane kadiga pisa jang paiba. Kabas nasi, hapo consumption, wamot banga jer kerten, ngakdel PM, ngakdel eksportan interest pa. We have to work together. Nilang kam menyetrena. Kasarkar ka open ya ka commerce stream. Nagamenta ka 11, 12 hapo sokha. Undone kena school bashim admission. See, what is this? Kono man kung longan ya tuyo education minister. Ulah rembol ang eka. Sana naman kuno, oleh atlo par ular mo education minister. Kaya ito si Badyo nga, kung ang yung education minister. Science stream, hamang talang, lapli, katmongot, kibasyon admission. Science stream, hasok ha, katmongot ke enrollment. Nantalang college kadon Bicom kadon arts kadon kinong hikay kiba well qualified Henry ni na po ka solution jeni ngimdan kata ka sense of ownership man please ko timay na sarkar. The question, wala kuman boy, wala ban kung amali, wala ban pan na kasarkar. I school haamlaren, ninaman kam. Haro education minister, jong kasarkar na kliyam subak. Kan kini bala dongren dan arumen, kumanin ayam eh. Perkat ha. Kebasuk ban lain dalayo kan ya pen na tentu na shim ya kana platform batongin pendon kam bara inahkai primary jogi kira full qualified kian kador baki nahkai kiwe kijaga baru ginahikai secondary school jangi mentah higher secondary school they are well qualified. Don't underestimate your strength. We are very lucky. The only rural constituency we have 2 common higher secondary school. One college sponsored by the government. Ngidon kita desit higher secondary school. Ngidon ki ad hoc higher secondary school. Ngidon ki RMSA secondary school. Tenagan tu ya pi ngasim ni kanet. Kom usakri barit jampi. Lalapin ay ki trelang bangna. Kom noke ngandra ikuci jampi. Syarasaka. Haga financial year ka batamay ngin implement ya ka bangiray but kanetan ay poreni sa sisnem tam ban prakat kinmo ki school hadimo ki thai bangin la kanira kata kadang thong ka chunga baka thong ka sarkar NDA hapo kajingalam o Chief Minister bi Conrad K. Sangma nado kasih kabagi Shimti Nongkong yaga sorkar hausen arja khapra bangilarai baka education kade kawe nakithong ki banginya le stom ban pentek pendiang bat ban kentil karisol nyinong yo hapok katuk katne nai katuk katne snap
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte yekamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya